Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide country or location on YouTube channel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to hide your location or country on YouTube, you can simply adjust your channel setting in your YouTube studio, or you can simply manage it through your YouTube app itself. So for this, all you got to do is simply tap open your channel and simply go to your channel status and features. So once you go in that particular option, you can simply find the option called feature eligibility. There you can simply get your details about, like, under your basic information or advanced setting, that you can change your country, region, or other relevant information. So simply select the country you want to hide, like which you want to hide, and once you have selected it, you can simply click on the save option and this will apply your changes. So this is how you can hide country or location on YouTube channel. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.